Breaking news for Samsung fans. Samsung has officially started rolling out the second beta update of One UI 8.5, and this update brings important fixes, smoother performance, and some exciting refinements. If you're using the Galaxy S25 series or planning to upgrade, this update could be a game changer. Let's break everything down in detail. Samsung launched the One UI 8.5 beta program just a couple of weeks ago with its first beta release for the Galaxy S25 lineup. Now, without much delay, the company has pushed out Beta 2, showing that Samsung is actively working on improving stability and user experience before the final release. This second beta update confirms that Samsung is listening closely to user feedback and moving fast to fix issues. According to trusted Samsung tipster Tarun Vats, the second One UI 8.5 beta is currently rolling out in multiple regions. These include Germany, India, South Korea, United Kingdom. Interestingly, users in India are getting something unusual. Instead of receiving the first beta, Indian Galaxy S25 users are jumping directly to Beta 2, which is quite rare but also a good thing, as it includes more fixes and improvements. The second beta comes with a firmware version ending in ZYLH. If you see this version number on your Galaxy S25 series device, that confirms you're running the latest One UI 8.5 beta software. This update mainly focuses on bug fixes and stability improvements. Samsung has addressed several annoying issues reported by users in the first beta. A lag or stutter that occurred when tapping the View More option during phone calls. A bug where the volume up button didn't respond properly in some scenarios. Random crashes in third-party applications. Multiple glitches and layout issues inside the Quick Settings panel. These fixes make the system feel smoother and more reliable, especially for daily use. One UI 8.5 is not just about fixing bugs. It also introduces several useful features and refinements. More customizable quick settings, allowing users to adjust toggles and layouts more freely. Improved clock and weather apps, with better visuals and usability. Enhanced power-saving options, helping extend battery life. Cross-device storage sharing, making it easier to access files across Samsung devices. These features aim to improve productivity, battery efficiency, and overall convenience. If you own a Galaxy S25 series device and live in an eligible country, joining the beta is simple. Open the Samsung Members app. Look for the One UI 8.5 beta program banner. Register your device. Check for software updates and download the beta. Remember, beta software may still have minor bugs, so it's best not to install it on your primary work device. With Beta 2 already live, Samsung is clearly moving closer to a stable release. More beta updates may arrive soon, followed by the official public rollout. If Samsung continues at this pace, the final version of One UI 8.5 could arrive sooner than expected. Galaxy users definitely have a lot to look forward to. So that's everything you need to know about the second One UI 8.5 beta update. Are you excited to try it out, or will you wait for the stable version? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Samsung and tech updates.